I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down the Ps4 completely and waiting 30 seconds. This clears residual power and hardware locks. Once done, press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a second beep that forces safe mode. Make sure you connect a dual shock via USB and press the PS button to pair the controller. Without this, the menu won't accept input. You're now in safe mode and ready to choose recovery options safely. You now pick the recovery action that matches your problem. Option 3 rebuilds the database and fixes corrupt files, while Option 7 or 6, reinstall, replaces the system software. If reinstalling or manually updating, make sure you've downloaded the official Ps4 update file into Ps4/update folder on a FAT32 or XFAT USB drive of at least 8 GB. Once you select the action, follow on-screen prompts carefully, because reinstalling deletes user data. After the recovery action completes, you should restart the Ps4 and allow sufficient time. Reinstalls can take 10 to 30 minutes. If the console keeps booting to safe mode, try rebuilding the database first, and only then perform a full system software reinstall from USB. This sequence often resolves persistent errors. If that still fails, check the internal hard drive for faults or loose connections, and if hardware appears defective, contact Sony support for repair or RMA guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.